Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're covering the Power BI template on top of Databricks system tables for cost analysis and cross-charging again. Specifically, in this video, we'll cover customization, and these are customization tips for multi-tag analysis, as well as setting up key inferences to identify key drivers behind your costs. Before we get started, please check the playlist linked in the top right corner to understand how to set up the template as well as the report navigation. Without further ado, let's head over to my laptop. Now, in the default version of the template, you can do single tag analysis. In this case, you can do environment or change it to BU and then drill down to other attributes of the costs. What you can't do is multi-tag analysis of BU, then environment, then owner. In order to do that, you need to change the data model. So go to transform data, delete the second step, and then go to custom underscore tags, transform, pass, and JSON. Here, what you want to do is to pass it out to the tags you want to do multi-tag analysis on. The reason we don't do this for you by default in the template is because you could have a lot of tags and we don't want you to end up with a super wide fact table. Once you pass it out, the table is pivoted with the text being different columns. And now you can change your decom tree and use the different tags as explained by, and you'll be able to do root cause analysis by multi-tags. So here we're drilling down by BU, then app, then owner. Because you pivot out the table, you can also do key inferences here. What you can do is to explain the DBU and explain it by different tags.